some shit is fucking going on. I need help. He goes, you're just being a chump. You're being a lame. I'll be home. Not worry about it. He comes home. It's like 5 a.m. Of course, the noise stops. Noise has stopped now until the next night comes around. I'm like, hey, Unc, don't leave. Don't leave me. I'm terrified. Now, mind you, that those noises happened all night until my uncle got home. Repeat. Night number 2. My uncle stays. Okay. On 1:30 in the morning, 2 o'clock. You hear it? And he's like, what the fuck are you doing? I was like, I'm not doing nothing. Come to the room with me. And we hear the noise. We walk around the house. And we freak the fuck out. And this goes on all night. This goes on all night. All night. This goes on. And we are freaking the fuck out.